This is Talus in Wonderland. It's a corrective formula for a shifted talus to help reset the talus back into alignment. Exercise number 1 is going to be downward leg kicks. You just lean sideways into a wall and you do downward leg kicks with the outside leg. Exercise number 2 is backward heel kicks into the floor. You're just going to hold on to something for balance and you're just going to kick the back of the heel into the floor as if just trying to dig a hole with your heel. What this does is it shifts the calcaneus anteriorly, which helps the talus slide posteriorly back into place. This is an excellent movement if you just had to pick one thing to help try to reset the talus. Next movement is a twisting calf stretch. You're going to place the front of your foot on some sort of an elevation, such as a weight plate. Step the opposite foot forward, cross your arms, lean forward to get a stretch in the calves, then just turn your body side to side like this. If you don't have a weight plate, a great alternative is to use a hexagonal dumbbell because they don't roll and you elevate your foot on the handle. The next exercise is bent over twisting heel digs. You'll place your palms down on a bench or a chair in front of you, feet point up. From the heels, twist out and in,